Hi, my name is Yuri Popovich and I've been doing topiary art for many years. If you're watching my videos on the channel, you most likely want to learn how to create beautiful shapes or take good care of your garden. That's why I'm launching channel memberships. By clicking the Join button next to the Subscribe button, you'll get access to unique video content that isn't publicly available on the channel. Step by step, I show how to create topiary shapes with your own hands, from the simplest to the most complex custom designs. Right now, members have access to video tutorials on creating a cone, sphere, spiral, triangle, as well as basic topiary training, proper plant staking, and lots of practical tips. Every month, there will be at least 2 new tutorial videos on the channel. Members will also get early access to new video tutorials, the ability to ask questions, vote on new video topics, and chat in a private WhatsApp group where they can get answers to all their questions, chat, and continue learning in our community. If you want to learn professional topiary, develop your own garden, or turn this into a profession, I'd be glad to have you as a channel member. Click Join, choose your membership level, and sign up. I'll be glad to see you in our private club.